step into the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front side airbag, traction control, AM/FM stereo, front-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, cruise control, daytime running lights, and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.